Introduction. Earth is real estate and the foundation of all human activities. No Earth, no human civilization. We are fully responsible for keeping this planet livable for all to enjoy. Places on Earth have many names, including site, location, GPS coordinates, area, and other commonly used terms. No matter what it's called, we universally agree to identify it as real estate, real property, or realty. The planet is over 4 billion years old, but recorded real estate history is only a recent fraction of that timeline. Over 4,000 years ago, ancient civilizations first codified real estate as an asset class. By Roman times, real estate became a publicly tradable commodity. During the Middle Ages, landlords emerged as the ruling class. And by the Industrial Age, real estate became an ownership opportunity for the masses. However, the most revolutionary realty changes occurred in the 20th century, as the American federal government stepped into the industry on a massive scale. To start with, the government encouraged home ownership via the Own Your Own Home campaign of 1917. Then, as the Great Depression tumbled the nation into deep despair, the feds created numerous agencies to resurrect housing, such as the FHA, FDIC, and Fannie Mae. After World War II, the GI Bill promoted homeownership, which eventually peaked to over 65% levels. Later in the century, civil rights, fair housing, environmental conservation, tenant rights, work safety, and other legislation emerged for protecting consumers and property owners alike. Today, EPA, HUD, OSHA, and other agencies serve these expanded roles. Real estate continues evolving at unbelievable speeds, further influenced by rapid technological improvements, environmental changes, expanded human rights, and other known unknown factors. What's clear is that new realities are undeniable. The real estate industry needs to embrace this phenomenon. Even as changes occur, real estate terminology clings to the past. The premise for premises keeps this in mind. Industry terminology needs to adapt to the times. Real estate terminology is outdated, especially those terms relating to ownership, property, and usage. These basic concepts hone in on the crucial factors of real estate, commonly known as the 3 Ps: people, project, and place. Still, these concepts are rarely integrated into unified terminology when discussing property ownership. So, the premise for premises is written as a solution for incorporating fresh, new language into today's real estate vocabulary. Why the title, The Premise for Premises? The word premise serves as the basis of making a point. On the other hand, the word premises represents the real estate, and all activities on site. Combining these words creates a phrase of disruptive thinking. The phrase translates to, the basis for fresh thinking in real estate. How about the book cover? The artwork shows a person thinking inside the real estate box by exploring all the activities occurring on the site. This is a symbol of understanding real estate as a multi-dimensional asset. The blue background illustrates that the sky is the limit for creative thinking. The gold color below emphasizes the importance of the earth as a resource, of great value to be treasured and respected. Bottom line? More disruptive thinking elevates real estate, as an asset class run by professionals, the best place to start with a pen and paper. The premise for premises, thinking inside the real estate box, redefines real estate in multidimensional, spatial, and socio-economic terms as follows. 1. Updating the wording real estate, realty, property in more holistic terms, by replacing with the word premises. 2. Creating a premises word ecosystem by incorporating into terminology the 3 Ps of real estate: people, place, and project. These words form the building blocks of any realty endeavor. 3. Suggesting additional premi vocabulary for future-proofing this word ecosystem. Read on, and join this real estate word disruption revolt. It's time to propel realty thought leadership into today and into the future. Hoping you'll enjoy reading The Premise for Premises. May your life journeys take you on a path of continued health, happiness, and success. John Ohorenko.
Thank you for listening to the sample audiobook. Full version available by purchasing on Amazon.com and other booksellers.